Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have one of my childhood favorite cookies that I've really been missing, and that is Snickerdoodle cookies. And I said I must get out a recipe for this. So I think I've managed pretty well. You're really going to love it. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. Just like a snickerdoodle. I have my whole baggie here and let me show you. Oh, it smells divine. Oh, it's unbelievable. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with 1.5 cups of almond flour. In that goes into a mixing bowl, and 1/2 cup of a powdered sweetener. In that goes, and 1/4 of a cup of a brown sugar substitute that really makes a difference. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder. All that goes and we give it a mix. Then we have 100 grams of softened butter, which I've added, and you give it all a good mix. And then we crack in 1 medium egg. Bring it all together into a dough and put this bowl into the freezer for about 15 minutes. Now, while it's in the freezer, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 2 teaspoons of a powdered sweetener. And this is what we're going to use to sprinkle on top after it bakes. So if all that is ready, we are ready to bring it out of the freezer, and I'm going to put it onto a cookie sheet, and we are going to make them into little balls. And sorry for this long gap. And here we are with the cookie sheet, and now I've made them into little balls, and I'm going to press them down with my hands and make them into these rounds. They are going to spread a lot, and so see that you keep ample space. And I've sprinkled a bit of the cinnamon sweetener on top of it, and now it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for anywhere between 14 to 16 minutes. Now I'm sprinkling on the rest of the cinnamon sweetener mix, and they are ready. Just let them cool. Just out of excitement, I pulled them out before, but these are wonderful. And thanks for watching.